None. Good morning, health enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode where we dive into the world of nutritious and delicious foods that can help you lead a healthier life. Today, we're focusing on the most important meal of the day, breakfast. And not just any breakfast, but one that's packed with ingredients known to help keep cancer at bay. Today, we're whipping up the ultimate cancer-fighting breakfast. Imagine starting your day with a meal that not only tastes amazing, but also fortifies your body against one of the most dreaded diseases. Let's get started. First up, start with a bowl of antioxidant-rich berries. Berries are nature's candy, bursting with flavor and nutrients. They're low in calories, but high in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. These antioxidants are crucial because they help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and lead to cancer. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries, they're not just tasty, but they help combat free radicals. Blueberries, for instance, are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a compound that has been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Raspberries are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that support overall health. Next, add a dollop of creamy Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only deliciously creamy, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. It's an excellent source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Plus, it's lower in sugar compared to regular yogurt, making it a healthier choice. Packed with probiotics, it's great for your gut health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, which is your body's first line of defense against illnesses, including cancer. Studies have shown that a balanced gut microbiome can help reduce inflammation and improve the body's ability to fight off harmful pathogens. Now sprinkle some flax seeds on top. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to health benefits. They are one of the richest sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't produce on its own, so you need to get them from your diet. These tiny seeds are mighty warriors, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids which are known to reduce cancer risk. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties and have been shown to reduce the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, flax seeds are high in lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and estrogen properties. These lignans can help protect against hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. Don't forget a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, or even a mix. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium, which are important for maintaining good health. They're full of healthy fats and protein to keep you energized. Walnuts in particular are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we mentioned earlier, have cancer-fighting properties. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Including a variety of nuts in your diet can provide a range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Finally, drizzle a bit of honey and a dash of cinnamon for that extra flavor kick. Yum! Honey is a natural sweetener that contains antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. Cinnamon is not only a delicious spice, but also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Together, they add a touch of sweetness and warmth to your breakfast, while providing additional health benefits. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious breakfast that's as tasty as it is powerful. This breakfast bowl is a perfect example of how you can combine different ingredients to create a meal that supports your health and helps protect against cancer. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients, and absolutely delicious. Starting your day off right has never been so easy. By incorporating these cancer-fighting ingredients into your breakfast, you're taking a proactive step towards better health. Remember, a healthy diet is just one part of a cancer prevention strategy. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol are also important. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and keep fighting the good fight. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle can make a big difference in the long run. So, enjoy your breakfast, stay positive, and keep making choices that support your well-being. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. To further enhance your breakfast, consider adding some leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to any meal. Leafy greens are known for their cancer-fighting properties due to their high content of carotenoids, which are antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Adding a handful of fresh spinach or kale to your morning smoothie or breakfast bowl can provide a significant boost to your nutrient intake. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron, which are essential for maintaining good health. The carotenoids found in leafy greens, such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, have been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer by protecting cells from oxidative damage. Incorporating leafy greens into your breakfast is a simple yet effective way to enhance the nutritional value of your meal. Whether you blend them into a smoothie, mix them into your yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a side, these powerful greens can help support your body's natural defenses against cancer. So the next time you prepare your breakfast, don't forget to include a generous serving of leafy greens. By doing so, you're not only adding a burst of freshness and flavor to your meal, but also taking a proactive step towards a healthier, cancer-free life. Stay inspired, stay healthy, and keep making choices that support your well-being.